pop the bead on the trail. Let's see if we can get it. Busted a heim joint now too. This one loosened up and then just snapped right off. Watch your back tire there too.
Okay, now drive forward. Hold it. No, winch out.
back tire's gonna drop soon.
Steer that way, Billy. Yeah, come on.
He just hooked my winch to my steering.
Yeah, winch in. Hey, steer that way. Nick, he's gonna get out of the way and then go get down.
What'd you do now?
Oh, broke the steering. Get it fixed though. Somebody's got to have a hind joint.
All right, Shop Night's having a little trail lunch here
Peanut
while
butter
we
and jellies.
eat
It's
some
broke down.
Yeah.
Dad can't have anything nice.
Where are you guys? Salt Lake. Oh, Salt Lake. Nice. We just got welding rods. We got to hook it up 24 volts. So we're going to go through our battery. Doesn't weld some crap.
Good luck, guys.
All right. Well, thank you. You guys have a good one.
You too.
Yeah, check us out.
You're in the videos now. You gotta check it out.
Videographer. Are you giving up on the old YouTube?
What are you doing now there, Dad?
Oh, we're gonna wire up, do something makeshift here, get us back. Tyler, can you see if I got a pair of cutting pliers?
All right, the Heim joint trail repair has been completed. We've got some wire and a ratchet strap holding it together. Let's see how it does.
broke down again. Our heim joint broke for the second time after we fixed it. So we're gonna try and repair it again. Woohoo!
Well,
Stretched it back out.
that didn't last too long. Alright, fix number 2. We're trying a cat strap. Let's see if this does any better. Fingers crossed. trail with the cat ratchet strap.
Taking off this old strap setup we got here. We found some used pine joints. We're gonna cut them down, hold them together with this, and hopefully that'll hold together for us. And then my cylinder's spun upside down, and the bolts are facing down.
Okay, we got it all put back together with some random parts. We had to grind this piece down because it was too big, but hopefully it'll work.